I have so many work here. But anyway, I didn't eat my lunch. No, I just had lunch. Wow! Why you had lunch? It's night in your place, right? So you have lunch. That is for midnight lunch. Midnight lunch. Yeah. I've been in my shower. Anyway, if you like to watch more about my shower video, you can join to my membership. Carlos Larry, what are you waiting for? Mishalala. Hiya, hiya. Ooh, yeah. Anyway, guys, I didn't eat my lunch already because I'm cooking the rice and I have here uh, vegetables. Hello, hello. Good morning to USA. I have, look at that. This is uh, look at that, Carlos Larry, look. It's pomelo. You have lunch snack in the wall. Yeah. No, my lunch. Yes, it's lunch snack, but I didn't want to snack. I love eating rice. And also I have each vegetables. Look at that. See? Yeah, it's vegetables. Vegetable is good. Mishalala. Menahaya. Wala na itong ano guys. I need to charge that one. It's blank, 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 blank. My friend, would you cook me fish and rice? Yes, I will. If you are here,